Hi everyone, I'm Mark. Welcome back to the LED DIY channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can set up your LED strip lights to create beautiful mood lighting in any room or area you choose. Let's get started. Before adhering any strip lights, clean the surface of the area you will be placing the lights on. It is recommended to apply your strip lights on smooth, stable surfaces. It should not be placed on rough or textured surfaces or any surfaces that can bend or move. The LED strip lights come rolled on a spool. Simply unroll the length of lighting you'll be working with, remove the adhesive backing, and stick to the desired surface. Press down on each part of the strip so it is firmly adhered to the surface and has no air bubbles. You can use fixing clips to strengthen the strip light's installation and ensure they stay in place. Peel off the adhesive tape and apply it to the surface with the non-sticky area over the strip light. If you choose, you can secure the clip further by screwing it to the surface. Once your strip lights are secured, you can attach it to the controller and power adapter. Then plug it into an electrical outlet. Using the remote control, remove the insulation sheet first. Press any color on the remote control to change the lighting color. Each strip light has special designated sections where you can cut the strip. Be sure to make a clean, straight cut only in these designated sections. Cutting it in a non-designated area will damage the strip lights. Did you know you can design your strip lights to make twists and turns, go around corners, or even over non-flat surfaces? Use the corner or straight flexible connectors and connector clips. To join two strip light sections together, use a connector clip. Push the open end of each strip into the clip, then close it to lock it in. To make your light strips go around a corner, use one corner connector and two connector clips. You can even make your strip lights go over uneven surfaces if you need to. Connect a flexible strip connector to the strip lights and over the uneven area. Connect the other end to the rest of the lighting. We hope we've given you some ideas of how you can use your strip lighting and how you can enhance the atmosphere of any room in your home, office, or anywhere you choose. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.